As you can see right here, my two trading robots managed to come out with 216 trades this week. This is the Powerhouse and the Sharpshooter algorithms, 2.2% profit. So I'm a conservative trader. I look for consistent gains in the market, around 3 to maybe 8% a month. And you can see that I'm able to do this during a recession. So I'm a manual trader as well, and have been for the last 18 years. And my manual trading has really kind of struggled during this recession. It's really difficult to read the markets. And so I built algorithms that have backtested during 2008, 2009, 2010 to basically have an idea of how this recession might play out. So I want to talk to you guys about the trades that were taken, how my algorithms have managed to profit during this recession so far, and show you what they plan to do in the future as well. Let's talk about trading during a recession. So trading during a recession is really difficult because it's way different than trading during a normal market. I'm a manual trader and I'm also an algo trader, so I use robots to trade the market for me. And currently I'm being beat out by my algorithms. It doesn't feel great to be beat by a robot, but you know, you'll understand at the end of this video why that's not such a bad thing. So you can see right here that my manual trades on gold haven't been working out so well. I've been navigating this as best I can. I'm 5% down. I played really well in June and July and August, until mid-August, and then shit started hitting the fan, basically. And when indices are selling off, most likely a lot of money or funds are going to be pushed into USD because it's a safe haven when the markets are currently going through a sell-off. So when that's happening, gold is being pushed down, and you can see here when indices were moving down, gold typically does as well. And this happened, 1,000 pip move or pullback that happened. And this is the banks and institutions basically playing with retail traders and really trying to throw off, make additional profit by pushing things in directions that are unpredictable. And I got stuck in this, thinking that this would be the reversal point, and it continued up, and I got stuck higher. So looks like this market's going to continue pushing down on gold, and I'll probably get out of this. And maybe I'll beat my algorithms next week and come out with like 5 or something % profit. But I want to show you guys and talk about my algorithms. So the Powerhouse, for example, is doing really well. So this is 158 trades this week, 1.6% profit. Powerhouse high risk. Powerhouse medium risk here, 0.71% profit this week. This is a manual trading account that I'm doing $100,000 on, going really well, but it doesn't include gold, so it's a little bit different stats. Vigorous right here by itself, the Ranger and the Comeback Kid, the Ranger and Vigorous, and the Comeback Kid. All of these accounts came out with profit this week, and most of the trades are closed out. So I want to talk about the Powerhouse and Sharpshooter. These are two of my, I like these algorithms the best. And they are running on this account together. So these two algorithms run 6 different strategies. So the Powerhouse has 5 different strategies. The Sharpshooter is just 1. So out of the 6 total strategies, there are 3 scalping strategies within them. 2 of them are trading on the Euro US dollar and 1 on the Pound USD. And you can see the Euro US dollar right here. We're basically almost always in a trade. All of these trades that you see right here, this is a basket of trades closed out for profit, 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 profit. All of these are closing out for profit. You get like 20 to 30 of these every single day. And the cool thing about the Sharpshooter and the Vigorous strategies that are part of the 6 strategies together, they don't trade the Euro US dollar at the same time. So when one is in a trade sequence on the Euro US dollar, the other is on pause. And they'll basically bounce off each other. So they'll wait for each other to finish a sequence, and then they'll enter into the market. This is a great way of not over trading and to not overexposing your account. And this is a cool trading technique that I had my developer incorporate, which is really a cool trick. Okay, so I want to show you guys what the strategies look like combined. So the Powerhouse and the Sharpshooter will pull roughly around 5 to 8% every single month. You can see we're hitting almost 100% every single year to date since 2003 to 2022. So I want to talk about 2008, 2009, 2010. So these are the past recession years, and a strategy that is capable of trading these years profitable is something that you should be looking into. And I can backtest manually to see how I did in these years as well. But the thing that's different is the emotional pull, the recession, the fear that you see as a manual trader is so much different than when you're using an algorithm. And so an algorithm trading these years is, I think, more important than finding a strategy, a manual trading strategy that is capable of trading those years, because you have no idea how that emotional stress is going to be. It's intense, I'll tell you, especially right now in 2022. Okay, so you can see 136% profit, 144, 131. So they came out with more profit during during the volatility of those recession years. So this is the kind of work that you guys need to do, because a recession is difficult to trade manually. And I think that it's best for you guys to try to find or build a strategy that is capable of trading those particular years. Because most purchased algorithms out there that are for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or CTrader don't have backtesting before 2010. And they do that for a reason, because they don't want to show you guys it lost during those very volatile years, and they don't want to show that because they won't make a sale off of you. So do your research, build something out that is capable of trading past recessions and past market phases in at least 10 years, because the more strategy or the more market phases that your strategy is capable of trading profitably, the better equipped it's going to be at trading during a market that we're currently experiencing in 2022. All right, thanks everybody for watching. Catch you on the next one.